Check out this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Carfax has certified this Avalanche as having one owner. This Avalanche has just under 102,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, sunroof and driver airbag. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.